How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my final on the Porsche Group Build 2024 second annual. Alright, before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This channel will never ask you for anything. And if I mention anybody in my videos, I'll always leave a link in the description below. Alright, with that being said, love you guys, appreciate you more than I can ever acknowledge, guys. I really do. Alright, y'all know, let's see, the second annual Porsche Group Build hosted by the Scale Model Car Podcast, or the Model Car, whatever, however you say it. That is Matt, Lucas C, Chucky's Hobby Spot, Mr. BG, Brian. Go check them out. And I think there's one more. Jason, maybe at Blue Ox. I can't remember, guys, but forgive me if I'm wrong, but go check all that. I'll just leave a description for everybody below, guys. You just go check them out. All right. Now, as y'all remember, this is what I'm doing right here. It is the Fujimi Enthusiast 124 scale Porsche 911R Coupe 1967. It's the R version. It stands for race, and I kind of ripped off their little thumbnail for the the group build here. I think I did just a little bit. But hey, guys, sorry, but that was a good looking picture there. That was a good looking Porsche. So mine ain't totally accurate to that, but hey, it's close enough. Alright, guys, let me move this out of the way, and I'm going to show you what I got going on, and then I'll have still pictures at the end. I'm going to move this out the way. Let's get her on the old whirly jigger. There you go, guys. What do you think about that? Let's give her a little go around. I did several modifications to this, guys. That is not box stock, that's for sure. Had to source from Parts Box all these decals for it. I give her just a little bit of a rub and a polish. It's not much. I don't go crazy with that stuff. A lot of people do. To me, that's not accurate. A real car is not going to be that polished and that shiny. I mean, maybe the old custom show cars, like Barris and all them back, and I don't even think back then they were that polished, but the newer ones maybe. But yeah, I'm more realistic, because showroom quality cars ain't even that nice. I don't care to do all that stuff, but I do a little bit here and there, but not a lot. But she's shiny as can be. It's shiny enough for me, guys. But yeah, you can see here, let me get my little trusty pointer out here. Let's see, we lowered her down. She's got the right stance. I don't know if you can see in there, but there are photo etched seat belts in there. I put a fire extinguisher, which the kit did not have. Let's see, I cut this part out right here, and it's the mesh, which I'll show you in a minute, where you can see through. I actually put some springs in the front suspension up here, to look like coil springs. You can see it's got the mesh here, and the little vents down here. I'll get up and get a closer picture. I cut the hood off, because this kit comes with the hood molded, but it shows you to cut it off. That way you can see the underneath detail. I wired the engine, So we'll take her apart here in just a second, let y'all get another little roundabout here. And let's take it off the stand and show you what I've got going on. And then, like I said, there will be pictures at the end of it. Let me move this little whirly jigger as Mr. Glenn Horton would say. All right. Like I said, you're not going to be able to see in there too good, but I'll have pictures of it, of the seat belts. You can see through there. Of course, there's a big old glare on that, but I did the wood grain steering wheel. There's the fire extinguisher in there. It's got a roll bar in there. Let's see if we can pop this off here. Okay. Oh. And look at this, guys. And I'm gonna lose it. One of the headlight lenses just popped out. I'm gonna have to put back in there. I wired the battery. As you can see, the wires, I put a little hold down for the battery. You can see the wires are going back to the back. It'll go through the tunnel and go back. You got the fuel filler cap, goes through the hood. You got the spare tire. Like I said, nothing just real special. You can see through the mesh right there, if you can see through that. Right there. There are the wheels. They do turn. I don't know if they're gonna spin, but they do turn. You can see I got it lowered. You're not gonna be able to see the brake calipers and stuff behind it, but I do got the red calipers behind it. Alright, this is what I'm talking right here, where you can see through to the engine. I put mesh there, cut that out. I put the little hold downs for the hood. Matter of fact, let's pop this thing off here. There is the engine. You can see there. The carbs, the funnels or the flutes up there. Let's turn this over. I just did a little weathering there, you know, look a little more realistic, I guess. The wheels do turn. Here's the suspension, the exhaust. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but if you look down there, there are actual springs to the struts right there. You got your front and back sway bar. Yeah, guys, there she is in all her glory. Like I said, stick around and I'm going to give you some pictures of the build. What few pictures I do have, like I said, I get busy and forget to take pictures. But yeah, we're going to set her back there. Put the hood on her. Deck lid. Alright, guys, stick around for the pictures. Please like, share, and subscribe.